Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your password on LinkedIn. This is something you should do regularly, especially if you're running a Shopify store or managing client accounts to keep your profile and messages secure. So all you need to do is click on your profile icon, then choose Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn stores all your account and security options. And from here on the left side, choose Sign In and Security, which is specifically for login and safety settings. And from here, you will see this Change Password, so click on it. And from here, you need to type your current password, so I'm going to quickly type it. This step confirms it's really you making the change. And then you need to type your new password, and then retype your new password again to make sure there are no mistakes. So let's say this is this suggestion, but I will type my own. LinkedIn usually suggests strong passwords, which is a good idea to follow. Didn't need to retype it again. And then click Save Password. As you can see, password changed. It's a good idea to make sure your new password is unique and not used on other platforms. So, this is how you can change your password on LinkedIn. Before you head out, check out the other quick tutorials on the channel for more simple, step-by-step tips on managing your LinkedIn account and protecting your online presence. If this video helped you, give it a like to support the channel, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.